This is the moment an F-35 fell from the sky during a training mission at an Air Force base in Alaska.
The pilot was executing standard procedures and executing their respective mission, and essentially experienced an in-flight malfunction that was able to safely eject, but resulted in the crash of the aircraft.
The pilot survived by ejecting from the aircraft and parachuting to the ground.
We're thankful that the pilot and those responding to the incident are safe, and will continue to conduct an investigation into the causes of this incident.
The F-35 is the most advanced and expensive fighter jet in the US military.